What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid-taper on my boy, so stay tuned. My client does have long hair, so we're starting off by pinning up all the hair to his scalp. Now that we're done pinning up the hair, we can move on to our GoToFX and create our first guideline. We're making our guideline a little bit of a curve, just so it could contour to his head shape. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Now we're going to move on to the 1.5 guard all the way open and deep both the sides. Moving on back to our initial guideline, we're going to lose the lever midway and all the way closed to help you erase that initial guideline. Since we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to soften up the line with the lever midway and all the way closed, getting it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now I'm heading back to my no guard all the way open and I'm detailing using my corners. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. I'm noticing a lot more comments, and I'm trying to I am replying to all of them. So if you leave a comment, I will reply to it. Switching over to our GoToFX, we're gonna go ahead and line up the ear line. I love using the GoToFX trimmers to line people up. I feel like they're the best trimmers in the game right now. I am going to do a review on all the trimmers because I do have literally all the trimmers up to cordless and corded. That will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But moving on to the hairline, I usually start off in the middle. I feel like that's the best way. I feel like if you start off at one side and then try to match it to the other side, it's going to be harder for you. So starting off in the middle is probably the best option. Now we're moving on to the C cup. I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I feel like that's the best way also. It stops you from pushing the C cup too high, because I feel like if you start off at the top arch, you could raise it too high and make the curve like at a weird arch. So yeah, be very careful here. I always use shave stick before I use my foil shaver, just so my client doesn't bump up. Now we're using the foil shaver to remove all the stubble. Now we're going to start detailing the taper with our lower guards, our no guard all the way open, and our half guard. Moving on to the back taper, we're going to create our first guideline with our Goat FX and then move on to the no guard all the way open. Now we're going to debulk with our 1.5 guard all the way open. This is equivalent to a 2 guard. But in smaller areas it's better than using a 2 guard because the 2 guard has large teeth. Now we're moving on to our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed will help you remove that initial guideline. Moving on to the 1 guard all the way open, we're creating our third guideline and we're getting ready for the half guard. Make sure to use your lever. Now I'm using my half guard to remove the line. I'm flicking out and also using my corners when needed. Now I'm going to use my trimmers to line him up after I'm done detailing the side. I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch, just like my C-cups. Now we're gonna knock the mustache down to a 1 guard all the way over. Near the mustache area and lip area, you want to be very gentle because the teeth of the trimmer could bite them. Moving on to his left side, we're going to continue with our goat FX and make him as crispy as possible. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, thank you if you made it this far in the video. Man, I appreciate all the support. Now that we're done with the cut, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. We're also going to be doing his mustache and eyebrows. Look at that Krispy Kreme donut, man. That shit is nice. Yes, sir.